Looking to reorder your family history project for a family member or loved one? Here's a step-by-step guide for reordering one or more copies of a previous order. Begin by heading to the Account Orders section under your user profile. You can get to that section by choosing My Account in the upper right-hand corner of the home page. Then, choosing Orders in the left-hand menu bar. Click the Show Detail button next to the project you're wanting to reorder. Locate the project under Ordered Products, then click Add to Cart. Then, click on the shopping bag icon located next to My Account in the top menu bar. You will see a red icon showing that your project has been added. If you'd like multiple copies, select the plus sign under Quantity while in the shopping cart. Proceed to checkout and provide payment and shipping information to complete your order.